I guarantee it. Just
Are
not
you sure?
this
You
7-day. I promise you. I really think, like, give me another week and a half.
Okay.
And then I think we should, like, next, I know it still seems so far away, but around tax time.
Oh, wow.
That's about the time that we should start to get back into a more consistent 60s pattern. But until that point, this 7 day is not really going to feature too much of that. You'll see it. But today we've got more active weather to tell you about. And that's the problem. These pulses of cooler air keep coming down courtesy of additional cold fronts. So that's what keeps us like just cooler than average for the majority of this forecast. But here's your front. Very well-defined system. Some snow rolling through the Great Lakes as a result. Here, no snow, but we've got our own fair share of problems. Out ahead of this, the current conditions are just foggy. You've got to allow the extra space between vehicles and the fact that you might run a little late today because that fog is so thick and it's very, very widespread. But the cold front in question is going to be crossing later this morning into the early afternoon, basically from northwest to southeast. So the Poconos see it a little sooner than the Jersey Shore does. And once that does clear out, high pressure is trying to regain control. So tomorrow does look very nice by comparison, but it'll still be chilly. And the wind in the meantime is also an issue. Now we have another front that comes along into Friday. That shouldn't amount to too much, but I wouldn't be shocked, Poconos, if you saw a few snowflakes, certainly a couple of showers here as well. But let's back it up and just talk about the wind issues today. So first, it's the fog for now through the next few hours. Then those storms cross through. They could produce some very gusty winds along the leading edge of the front, but that wind is going to get cranking regardless. So whether it's wind advisories or high wind warnings, everybody is included in that. The gusts could peak as high as 60 miles per hour, and that would absolutely bring down a couple of weaker tree limbs or even some power lines. Tomorrow, looking beautiful enough, but a high of 49 at best. So it is going to be a pretty chilly day, Misha.
Yeah.